Hello everyone, in this video we are gonna make our own Python voice assistant. And now before beginning, it is a two-part video. In the first video, I will describe how you can make use of your microphone to listen to your voice and convert it into text. In the next video, we will discuss that how we are gonna read the text, perform some string operations on it, and on the basis of that, we will generate a reply and then use play sound library to use our speakers to play that sound. Before coding, let's see what we are gonna need. Now you could see entire details and the entire code on this website, devrush.net. I post everything here. The entire code as well as the instructions will be available here. So prerequisites are we need several six libraries: speech recognition, play sound, GTTS, web browser, random, and string. Now, in order to install them, we need to do this pip3 install and just the name of the library. Now, thing is, while importing speech recognition, you will have to write it like this, speech underscore recognition. But while installing, you will have to install it like this with a capital S and a capital R. Now, the one major problem that I found was that while installing speech recognition, it was showing that the wheel file is not available and there was a error while installing through pip command. In that case, there are two ways to resolve it. First thing is you could download the wheel file manually from the GitHub and then install it using pip, and then you could install speech recognition. That is a long way. What I prefer is you could install pipwin like this with the help of pip and then use pipwin to install speech recognition, and it works well and it is simply easy. Now, let's begin coding. Now, as I have already installed all the libraries, let's begin coding and import the libraries. First of all, let's import speech underscore recognition. Now, name is quite long, we could import it as SR. After that, import play sound library. It will be used to play sound from our speakers. Now, this is the most important one. From GTTS, import small g, capital TTS. Now it is a Google text to speech service. TTS stands for GTTS. TTS stands for text to speech. I have used three T's here. There should be only two T's. Now after that, import random, comma, string, import. Now basically I have imported random and string to generate a random string. You will see further why I'm using that. Import web browser. It is used to open any web page on the basis of URL. We will see why we are using all this soon. Now first of all, let's create the function listen. In this function, we will read data from our microphone and convert it into text. As discussed, this will be the first part of our entire series. Now first in listen, first of all, let's create the object of the recognizer s equal to sr dot recognizer. Now after creating the object, further we will reference it by the variable name s. On that, with sr dot microphone. Now it's creating the object of that micro of our microphone as source. Source the variable name. Now when we will reference source, we will be referencing our microphone. Print say something. After that we have to read the audio. Equal to the object name for recognizer was s dot listen. Listen is the function to listen the audio, and we have to listen it from our source, that is our microphone. After that, we are going to need a try catch block. This is because there might be some errors while converting it into text, and we don't want errors in our program, so we will use the except block. Now try equal in try text equals to s dot recognize Google. Now this will basically convert our audio into text and store it in the variable text. Pass the parameter audio here where our audio is stored. Remember this thing that while speaking, if you give a pause, then it will convert this audio. It won't convert until you pause while speaking. So what will happen is with SR dot microphone as source will continue listening to use unless you stop for a few seconds. Now you should also have a proper internet connection to use this service because it will go online on Google and convert your audio into text. Now let's print the text, what we are seeing. Now let's write the code for the accept block. Accept exception as E. Now we will make a, yeah, while speaking to our bot, what we will do is we will also make a test case that if we say stop, then it will stop working. And therefore, while if, for example, there is an exception and the code is not working properly, so let's assign the flag value here to text stop. So further, when I have the condition check, it will see that if there is an exception, it will see that the text will stop and the program will stop running. After that, return text from here. Now this part is complete. After that, what we have to do is again a variable text equal to listen. Now whatever we are saying will be stored in text, and let's print that text. Let's see if it is working properly. Hello, it's just a check to see if the code is working properly. Please subscribe and watch the next video to see how we are gonna make complete Python voice assistant. Thank you.